How to make text transparent in CapCut PC. This tutorial will guide you through the process of creating transparent text in CapCut, a popular video editing software available for Windows and Mac OS. This effect allows you to overlay text on videos, making the text blend seamlessly with the background. Whether you're a beginner or looking to enhance your video projects, this step-by-step guide will help you achieve professional-looking results. As you can see, I have a picture in CapCut, since we're here for how to create transparent text. So first, click the Text tab at the top left of the screen, beside the Audio tab. While we are in the Text tab, click the Add button in the default text. Now that I add the default text, I'm just going to edit the text. But it's up to you on how you want to edit your text. Like if you want to make it bold, choose the effect of your text created, and more. After you edit your text, make sure that you are in the Basic tab. If you are in the Basic tab, scroll down until you see an Opacity section. After you locate the Opacity section, there is a slider that makes your text transparent, as you can see on the screen. My video record is in a laggy situation, but it is still the same result when you follow the tutorial in this video because, as you can see on the screen, the text I created became transparent. You have now successfully created transparent text in CapCut. This effect can add a unique touch to your videos, making them more visually appealing. Experiment with different fonts and effects to personalize your projects further. For additional effects and editing techniques, consider exploring other tutorials on CapCut. Happy editing!